How to log out of your TikTok account. So before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's get started. First, you should have your TikTok app, and I'm assuming you already have an account. So you are logged into your account, and this is how you can log out. So basically, once you open your TikTok, and then you can go to your profile at the bottom right. Once you open your profile at the top right, you can see the hamburger menu. From there, you can go to settings and privacy. Once your settings and privacy is open, just scroll all the way down where under login you can see the option to log out. Just tap on it, and if you have multiple accounts, this will also show you an option to switch account, but if you want to log out, just tap on log out. And if you want your account if you want TikTok to save your login info so that it would be easier for you to log in next time, you can just save it and then tap on log out. Once you do that, you should be logged out of your account. And that's how you can easily log out from your TikTok. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.